What's good, YouTube? Back with another one. Yeah, y'all know what those is. Let me focus it up for you. Hold on. See that? Okay. You know what time it is. Oh, I like this new box design. Y'all need to do that to all of the future 11 boxes. Okay, if you see right here, you look closely, you can't really see it, but it got all the dates. I'm assuming, no. This is 1995 to 2020. That's what it says, 1995 to 2020. But look at these. Ooh. Ooh. They actually look way better in person. You'd be surprised. Got the little metal Jumpman logo on there. And I score off for sneakers. I don't hit nowhere else. Well, I'm not gonna say I don't hit nowhere else, but I don't really try nowhere else besides sneakers. Oh, almost dropped the shoe, man. But yeah, look at this material, you know, as usual. Jordan got the nice leather on there, the patent leather. You got the, like I said, the metal Jumpman. It's not focusing good, trying to get it right. Got that carbon fiber on there. The lighting is so bad in here. Then like I said, they got the this is not metal, but it's like a little rubber piece. Got Jordan going up them. And as usual, you know, Jordan always got the 11s with a sole that's gonna get dirty quick, so you can go buy another pair. But I must say that these are tough. There's too much light. But yeah, these are tough. Got them out.